Okay, I'm at this restaurant in Toronto called Mythology, and I'm eating something on the menu called the cobber, which is a cobb salad. And in this moment, I have realized that I did not make a cobb salad. That mine, I was thinking of a niçoise salad with the green beans. But I've already shot the video you're watching, so doy! Hey everybody, I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, here every Wednesday cooking up vegan love for you. And I'm still gonna keep things light, fresh, easy, meal prep-ish as we head into February, because I think we're still trying to eat better, stick to our healthy habits. Some of you may have even done Veganuary last month and done the vegan challenge for the full month, so I hope you're still sticking with it if that's the case. Today I'm going to show you how to make a recipe that I've been making non-stop actually this year, and it's just one of my easy go-tos. You may have seen it on hotforfoodblog.com, but I'm going to show you how to make hemp crusted tofu, and we're going to serve it on a luscious crunchy cobb salad with ranch dressing. That is my kind of salad. So this one's easy. You can prep it at the beginning of the week. You can have it for a few meals throughout the week for lunch or dinner. I'm obsessed with it right now, and I do love tofu, which you know. In this case, the tofu turns into this really great texture once you bake the crusted tofu sticks. It's kind of like a fish stick, kind of like a chicken finger. I'm totally into it. So we're first gonna start by cutting up this brick of firm tofu. So your brick might vary in size, but we're looking for 8 to 16 sticks. It just depends what size you want them. You could make them this long, but I'm gonna cut these in half actually. So I've got 16 little kind of rectangles here. So for the crust, we're gonna use gluten-free breadcrumbs, hemp hearts. I've got garlic powder and chili powder, and just salt and pepper. And now just give it a stir to combine it. You don't have to use gluten-free breadcrumbs, I'm just doing it for this particular recipe, so the whole thing is in fact gluten-free. Now to get the crust to stick onto the tofu, you need to coat it in sort of a dredge, and I'm using almond milk and Dijon mustard. The Dijon mustard comes through just a little bit here, and I just combine that. But you could actually use anything. You could use barbecue sauce. You could use more ranch dressing. Just use something liquidy and kind of thick as a dredge and then coat it in the breadcrumbs. So you can just use a silicone brush to get a nice even coating of this thicker sort of Dijon dredge and make sure all sides are coated like that. And then throw it in the breadcrumbs. And then you can go ahead and place these on a parchment-lined baking sheet. So these are going in an oven preheated to 425 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, and just flip them halfway through the bake time. So set your timer for 15 minutes and then another 15 minutes. But we're just gonna spray them with a light coating of oil. That's just gonna help them get a little bit more of a deeper golden brown and get nice and crispy. So while the tofu is baking, you can prep your salad. And a cobb salad, I don't know, let's not get technical here. This is my version of a cobb salad. You could of course do whatever you want, but I know cobb salads that I used to eat had the kind of long green beans, some corn, tomatoes, avocado, romaine lettuce, or you could use like a butter lettuce or a leaf lettuce. And I know there's egg on a cobb salad. We're just gonna glaze over that part of the cobb salad. We're not gonna put like a vegan egg on this or anything like that, because the tofu is kind of like the meat and the egg all combined in one. So we're just gonna chop up the romaine in nice bite-sized pieces and get this stuff all prepped. I already steamed the green beans and then put them in cold water so that they stop cooking and they're nice and crunchy still and bright green. All those instructions are in the recipe that I've linked below in the description. I'm putting ranch dressing on the salad. Again, do whatever you want, but I like thick, creamy dressings on my salad. And I'm cheating. This is not my homemade version, but if you want to make the Hot for Food version, which is delicious, I've linked that below. This is just ranch. I got it in the States when I was there. It's so good, and it tastes exactly like mine. I feel like they copied my recipe. So get a pre-made ranch, make the Hot for Food ranch, use balsamic vinegar if that's what you want to do instead, or lemon juice and olive oil. But I like the creamy, it goes really good with the hemp crusted tofu. This is how I cut my lettuce so that I can eat it in a bite as opposed to having huge chunks on the fork that you can't even fit into your mouth. So I just like to cut it up finely like that. There she is, the hemp crusted tofu on a Cobb salad with ranch. Ooh, this is one of my perfect salads because it's like meaty, it's hearty. And you know I'd always kind of like rag on salads, but like if you put ranch on anything, it's gonna taste amazing. So let's dive in, shall we? I mean, I'm going right for the tofu first. Can you see the texture? Something happens to it where it gets chewier. So it is like a chicken nugget kind of. And truth be told, before I went vegan, I used to put Dijon on chicken breasts and then put breadcrumbs on it and bake it. So this is an idea from before I was even vegan. And actually, Hot for Food blog originally had all the non-vegan food that I was eating as I transitioned, and that recipe was on there. It's not there anymore because I'm a fully vegan blog, but isn't that funny? Little inside-y nugget for you. I mean, you can just make those nuggets. You can toss the salad out the window. Now, of course, I know you're gonna say, why didn't you dress the whole salad? That's what you're saying right now. I just did it because it looks better for presentation. Obviously, I'm gonna eat this and we're gonna go like this. More ranch all the time. And then you're gonna toss it, whatever. You could add beans on here, black beans if you want. Could add some more hemp hearts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, whatever. I'm actually starving, I haven't eaten all day. That frickin' ranch, oh my God. Means I don't have to bottle the Hot for Food ranch now. So good, oh my God. You know what I should do? Is shoot me eating this whole salad and air it as a separate segment. Like a mukbang. That's kind of a good idea. I might do that. If I do that, go watch it right now. I'll link it right here. So delicious, I hope you like this one. Try it exactly the way I made it. Improv, add your own toppings to your salad, do a different dressing. I've got lots of salad dressing recipes on hotforfoodblog.com and I've linked more of them below as well, so check that out. The Hot for Food cookbook is about to be released February 27th. Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 recipes to feed your face. If you pre-ordered it, thank you so, so much. You got your free ebook with purchase. You can still pre-order it. You can still get your free ebook. Check the link below, hotforfoodblog.com/cookbook. Purchase it from your favorite online retailer. Go claim the ebook on my blog. In total, you're getting about 125 or 30 recipes, including the free ebook that you get. So lots of that stuff is never gonna be available anywhere else. So there's stuff in there that you're not gonna see videos for, so you should probably go purchase the book. And stay tuned to my social media at Hot for Food because I will be announcing a book tour and which cities I'm going in the US of A very soon. Is it gonna be yours? I don't know. Select stops only, but I'll be announcing it soon. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'm here every Wednesday. Subscribe, click the little subscribe-y thing that's down there in the corner. so you never miss a video. Also press the bell to get that notification. I usually post around 10:30 in the morning Eastern time on a Wednesday. And you know what's up. Follow Hot for Food on social media, at Hot for Food. Follow Snickles, my cat, at Snickles Says. He likes that. He's sitting there watching this happen right now. Okay, see ya!